Hello friends, how you all? I'm back again with yet another super handy guide. It's time to talk about the best tips and tricks to fix App Store not working on iPhone and iPad. So if you are experiencing issues with App Store not working on your iPhone, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve the problem. That said, let's get started. So first and foremost, I will recommend you to check your internet connection. Note that the App Store requires a stable internet connection, so ensure that your internet connection is up to the mark. To do so, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap on Wi-Fi or cellular, and then make sure that your internet connection is stable. You can test your Wi-Fi or cellular connection by opening a website in Safari or playing a YouTube video. Many a time you can fix the ill-functioning App Store by just first quitting it. Therefore, I will recommend you to try this nifty solution as well. To do so, you have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause. And then you have to swipe the App Store off the screen to close it. And then you have to launch the App Store. And then you have to try to download an app or try to update an app to check whether or not you have gotten the better of the problem. If you're still unable to use the App Store on your device, then I would recommend you to restart it because it has the knack of fixing annoying or frustrating problem. To do so, you have to hold down the side button and the volume up button until the power off slider appears. And then you have to slide to power off your device. And then you have to press the side button to turn on the device. Sometimes the problem is on Apple's end. Therefore, I will recommend you to go to Apple's system status page and see whether or not the App Store is working as expected. Another reliable solution that I would recommend you to try is to sign out of Apple ID and sign back in because it has the knack of fixing annoying App Store related problems. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then you have to tap on the Apple ID banner at the top. And then you have to tap on Sign Up and confirm the action. And then you have to sign in using your Apple ID and password. And then you have to launch the App Store to check whether or not you have resolved the problem. If you are still unable to use the App Store on your device, I would recommend you to go for the software update because I suspect that a software bug might be causing the problem. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then select General. Then choose the software update option, and then you have to download and install the latest update. And finally, I would recommend you to reset the entire network settings on your device because I suspect that there could be a network related glitch that might be hindering the App Store from working properly. To do so, you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Then you have to select the General option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. And then you have to tap on the Reset option. And then you have to tap on Reset Network Settings and confirm the action. And that's about it. So these are the best tips and tricks through which you'll be able to fix App Store not working problem on iPhone and iPad. Hopefully you have gotten the better of the problem. Now that we have sorted out the problem, feel free to share your feedback and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.